Hello, algebra students. Welcome back. We're in section 3.3. We're doing example 4. We have 2 more examples. This was one very long section, and we're down to example 4, and then the next video will be example 5. I'm going to leave and make example 4 as short as I can because the word evaluating, all it means, very simply, we did this in chapter 1 when we were first starting algebra a long time ago in August. I just told you evaluating means plug in for the variable. Plug in for the variable. Okay? So I'm going to do letter A with you and just kind of illustrate, what's going on. Remember what I told you. Another name for f of x, function of x, is y. So this is another name for this function. And what they did, they're saying find f of x, find y when x is 6, when x is 7.5. So they gave us 2 numbers to plug in. We're not going to plug them in at the same time. You're going to do them one at a time. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our equation y equals 5x, and they're telling us, okay, plug in 6 for the x. Now, what operation is going on between the 5 and the x? If you said multiplication, you are correct. So what is 5 times 6? You're right. Y is 30. Good job. That's what we're looking for. So our first answer is 30. Now we're going to go back and we're going to do it again. But this time we're going to plug in 7.5 for that x. So 5 times 7.5. And what do you get for that one? Yep, 37.5. Exactly. So these are the 2 answers we're looking for right there. Okay? So evaluating, even though we're doing functions, function notation, it's no different than what we did in chapter 1. They're telling you what to plug in, you plug it in, do the math, get the answer. Okay? So why don't you guys do these next ones by yourself, because I think you guys can figure out how to plug in values for x or for t. So this one, the only reason why this one's a little tricky because they're doing g of t. Remember, it's just code for y. Y is equal to 2.30t plus 10. And then you're going to take the 2 and plug it in right there. Do 2.30 times 2. And then add 10, get your answer, circle it, that's one of your answers, then go back and do it again, plug in -5, okay? And then do the bottom one as well. So I promise you I'd leave it short. It is, go for it, do your best, and bring your questions to class. Code word for this section is hockey. Hockey season's getting ready to start, and I'm so excited.